What's happening, everybody? Dom here from Lensprotogo and Lens Rentals. Welcome back to the channel. For this week's video, I'm going to pretty much take this whole thing to just roll a lot of sample video and sample stills taken from Nikon's first flagship mirrorless body. And just quick little blurb, I have had such a fun time shooting on the Z9, and like having fun is one thing, but I'm just blown away at everything the Z9 is able to do, especially keeping like 99% of all those functions under one roof, able to be done internally. So we're going to explore that a little bit. Also, I think I'm going to take a whole video just to dive into the NRAW workflow. That's the Nikon RAW video profile that Nikon has developed. It's super duper cool that they developed an entirely new RAW profile. It's brand new for Nikon. They're clearly making a focus into video things now, competing with namely Canon and Sony pretty much. And again, whenever you talk about RAW video amongst like video nerds, there's always going to be one person that says, well, actually, true sensor RAW. But there is a really cool and like true to the video pipeline thing that Nikon did when they were rolling out that NRAW profile. And I'm definitely going to educate myself on a little bit more and then put that in a Nikon Z9 DaVinci Resolve workflow like type video. But it's not all video stuff, people. I mean, these flagship bodies really have the professional photographer in mind. So yeah, anyways, now less of this and more of this. All right, everybody, that is pretty much gonna do it on this video. Again, I'll probably never stop saying it. I am just so thoroughly impressed with the Nikon Z9. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, there's like a very specific way you can tell me that. You can hit that little thumbs up button. And also, if you have any question whatsoever about the Z9, the photo or video modes I used in this test, the lenses, you know what to do. Drop a comment in the comment section below and we'll start a discussion. But if you didn't do any of that, you could hit that subscribe button. I don't know if you've noticed, but over 100,000 of you have already shown us that you would like to see this weekly content that we work so hard to bring you. And once you're done with that, you can actually hit that little bell button that's next to the subscribe button. That's going to give you a notification whenever we post new content, which is every week. Nikon Z9 DaVinci Resolve N-RAW workflow video coming around the corner. All right, people, happy shooting, and we'll see you in the next one.